Hi everyone, today I will make one of my favorite sandwiches, egg salad sandwich. Add 3 eggs, salt and vinegar in a pan to boil the eggs. Boil the eggs for about 12 minutes on high. Once the eggs finish cooking, immediately put them in cold water. This will make them easier to peel. Slice cucumber thinly in a half-moon shape. Mince some onion. Sprinkle 2 pinches of salt on the cucumber and let it set for a few minutes. Put the chopped onion in cold water to reduce the spiciness a little. Remove the eggshell. The salt will pull some liquid from the cucumber. Squeeze the cucumber gently in a paper towel. Drain the water from the onion. Gently dry off the onion with a paper towel to remove any remaining liquid. Finally dice the cooked eggs. I used an egg slicer. Mix together the egg, cucumber, onion, and the other ingredients for the seasoning. Depending on your taste, you can spread some mustard on your bread. Put half of the egg salad on a slice of bread. This recipe will make 2 sandwiches. Stack the 2 sandwiches together, placing a piece of paper towel between them. Put some things on top of the sandwiches to weight them down. This will make the sandwich firm and give them a nice shape, so when you eat or cut them, the filling will stay inside better. Cut and divide the sandwich into rectangle or triangle shapes. Try it and let me know what you think. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye!